Yeah, just $2 first.
All right, go ahead.
Give me $2 first.
Nah, you ain't gonna.
I did what?
Yeah.
You want to see these Jaguars, Auntie?
Give me that Jaguar.
Them boys snap them Jaguars, Auntie.
Then they stopped on the Jag game.
I don't know about that. Give me $2. Y'all say. Stop. Okay, Dad. Thank you. I see the bill. You got that back. Y'all funny. Y'all funny.
How much you done made out here today, Auntie? About
I don't know, baby.
about
Not much.
300?
No. I love you. Now give me $2. Red.
I ain't got no dollars.
Red. Stop now, Peter Red. Red. Stop now, Red.
They finna get that cup.
Huh?
They
Give
finna
me
get
$1, Red.
You gotta get it.
What you got that cup? He just gave me that $1. He just gave me that $1. Look at that. All that silver in there. That's gold. Huh? In the store to get my bill. You told me to get a bill. Huh?
You heard my door?
Yeah, let me have it.
Hey, you need to wake up.
Not yet.
I got over there. I'm trying to get close to that cup.
Yeah, cut the whole thing.
You want to cut it, right? Let me get the cup.
You ready to spin that?
What the hell?
Hey, you ready to spin the cup?
I'm going to show you how fast I'm ready to spin it. It ain't that deal. My life come for that. That's a great thing. But
Let me have it.
All right,
All right, I'm taking it. All right,
Give me that.
I'll eat tomorrow. I'm going to get $5.
Hey, Auntie ain't go. Don't worry.
Yeah,
You
no,
go
I'm
Facebook,
saying.
Auntie.
But I feel turn it loose in the middle.
No, turn loose.
I turn that couple loose in the middle.
Auntie ain't
It ain't where my life come for this cup.
Yeah,
Believe that.
yeah,
And my life come for the bling and everything else.
yeah.
And I got a man.
Where
What
you
my man got to do with you? I got a man to Lord.
Sound like you can say, though.
Get you a cold one, Auntie.
Yeah, when Red give me my $1. Red, Peter Red. Stop, Red. Come on, Red, give me
Come on,
$1.
go get your bill.
Let
Go
me
get your bill.
That's a little nice.